Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to solder a copper pipe to a copper fitting and everything and all the steps in between. First I'm going to go through the equipment that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using sandpaper, cloth rag, copper pipe, copper fitting, wire brush, pipe cutter, gloves, solder, and flux. Okay, so let's begin. First thing I will be doing is sanding the 1/2 inch copper pipe. Next, I will be cleaning the inside of the elbow with my wire brush. And I will use the flux to apply liberally to the fitting and the pipe, like so. And I will make sure it goes all the way in. Next, I will get my solder. Make sure it's up. I will put my gloves on. I will now put the torch on. What I'm doing here is I'm heating the elbow. And it's heating the flux that's inside there, which will help with the solder. So just a moment, I will apply the solder to the fitting. So it makes a ring around the fitting. So just a moment. Looks like it's about hot enough now. Okay, and then a little bit more. And I'm gonna use my cloth rag and wipe off any excess. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So just to review, we've used the cloth rag, the sandpaper, the pipe cutter, the solder, the flux, use a torch, the vise to hold everything together. So what basically soldering is it's the combination of two metals by the use of solder. So anyways, that's my presentation. Hope you enjoyed.